Being located in a busy city with more than 170,000 buildings, having more than 20% of them being office buildings, what will make this one different? What will make this building stand out?
Cubyco, meaning cubes by connection, is a unique office building designed by the people to the people. Cubyco is located in the old part of Dubai, in a city called Bar Dubai, and it overviews the Dubai Canal. After creating a survey that was taken by more than 100 individuals, aging between 21 to 55, we decided to gather those individuals' needs and wants, which range from having a more sociable and open area, and place them in Cubyco.
After looking at people's needs and wants, we created different modules by subdividing the grid into 4 meters. The modules width made out of multiple of 4 meters were extruded at 2 different levels, 2 meters and 4 meters. This resulted in 8 different modules, each carrying a specific function related to its size. Those modules give the impression of being stacked on top of each other randomly. However, their extrusion was based on the needs and wants of each individual.
Looking at the site and realizing the lack of greenery, shading, and interaction found in it, we wanted to create a building that can act as a center of interaction. In order to do so, we created a fully glazed ground floor to create a physical barrier and protection with the outside, but visually, no boundary between the outside and inside. This creates a continuous interaction between the people of the building and the people visiting the building, since our ground floor function ranged from restaurants to coffee shops and salons, all made to attract people's attention, creating a building different from its surrounding buildings, making it a center of attention in the area. The functions were used to maximize people's flow, having the restaurant on the canal view and retails on the roadside. Having a green central courtyard was essential in order to grasp people's attention and having a greener interior area.
Knowing that Dubai is a hot area, we also wanted to create a more sustainable building by minimizing and allowing only sufficient amount of light to penetrate the building. This resulted in us using 3 different materials to minimize unwanted heat. We use a perforated metal skin for all cubes protruding 4 meters, an opaque IGU glass for the cubes protruding 2 meters, and a double glazing glass for the normal cubes. The normal cubes and ground floor are self-shaded by cantilevered cubes on top of them and beside them. Shading system are maximized on the south facade since it's the hottest. Although Cubyco is mostly made of glass, which seemed to limit individuals' privacy, however, with the skin and opaque glass installed, this gives worker advantage of enjoying exterior views, limiting the people on the outside to see what's happening in the building.
Having solved the problem faced by the site, we wanted to give individuals an interesting and pleasant interior experience as well, since this is where they will be spending most of their time. Using the same language inside the building, we were able to create a central courtyard with protruding boxes in the center, creating an inward pleasant view for the people working on the inside. By having cubes protruding and intruding the building from both sides through a certain grid, we were able to create a continuous circulation between functions, creating a building of isolation and openness in one.
In order to give the building a simpler look and keep it the same language, we decided to use the perforated metal as part of the balustrade for the terraces that were created with these protrusions and intrusions. We also made a space of 60 centimeters between the curtain wall and the perforated metal to allow cleaning distances, and at the same time it gives a lightweight view to the curtain wall. The perforated metal is supported with a T-channel and a metal grid decking that holds the perforated metal from the slab away from the curtain wall.
What will make this one different? What will make this building stand out?
Our building is different not only because it was designed to fit people's needs and wants. Not only because we were able to create a building that is the center of connection and interaction in a neighborhood that lacks that, but also because we were able to take the weaknesses of the site and alter them to serve our project.
I am Sassine Finianos.
I am Nisrine Lakis.
I am Jana Hamdan. And we are J.N.J Architects.